when I see that my person is toxic, what is my role in that situation?
Wow.
No na
yes.
Duakoro nawe ri kuri uri oreka, so him or her ni ku reciprocate.
Got you.
No na
yes.
Nigo tutige ku misuse kigo geke gia toxic.
Could it be it's even me who is really toxic?
Because we people, human beings, we are very good at pointing fingers.
True.
Without asking yourself, near the Esther, in this situation, what is my role?
We mwega mwirori wa Perisbudia TV. Nenda kunyita ogeni guku kwa Perisbudia TV o ringi ni twoka ni twacokereria oya tumai oya gacai kirio nyuaga nyua ni thaa igiri cio tuku ni rio turekagiriria kipindi giki no wikare hau tondu umuthi mutinyandikire ni mukioi ni ngoretwo na ndagitari ucokete gututara uria tuguikara muturire-ini uto muturire ni urituhite we kana ni kihiko-ini kana ni maundu ma hakiri. Are you depressed? Are you stressed? Are you having difficulties in your marriage? Your health even? Nichokete ukorwo na mundu gwitwo Esther King'ori akoragwo ari psychologist na ni aratuteithia muno na ni munyandikire kwanza kuria TikTok na ngani mumwendete muno TikTok no mukauma TikTok mugathie haria YouTube tondu niho akoragwo na uhoro makiria no riu ri mbere ndaya ri ni twacokereria niki muraigire he kiugo giki andu mara abuse na mutira ke understand what does it mean. Toxicity in relationship, toxicity in place of work, toxicity in everything. Kiugo kira kuthirwa handu hothe ta mental health. These two words, my mental health. Oh, he's toxic. My boyfriend is toxic. I can't. My husband is toxic. Esther, nikiguite manja ndikire ngira na ngwite tondu riri ni tondu kire ndagitari wa hakiri ri ngoragwo ndagitari wa ngothi ri tuki introduce haho mere atiriri maririkanie na aria mokite gukuona kana makuhurira thimu umacokerie ngatho nigetha tuingire we dive into this tumateithie.
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Orenge mwiroreri witu karibuni sana guku kwa Perisbudia TV guku twi haha ni undu wanyu kumu support kumu guide na kumu inform nigo kinya tukahota kumenya riri tutumagira cigo iri kuri tutigakoretwo ki misuse.
Exactly.
So tuko hapa nigo tumu educate about toxicity.
What is this toxicity thing? Niki twajiriria hau niona turona atiriri hatha igute mahinda Esther witu ri to this straight there wambe kiugo giki ri ta kifafanue kirutanie kirute nguo wambe utwire nginya sana je kwaria maundu maria megie toxicity na mundu amenyaga uyu ni toxic atiri kiugo kiu kienyewe ri what does it mean?
Very good. To give a definition ya toxicity.
Yes.
It is something harmful and poisonous and dangerous. We have even toxic environment. To environment yado ginya ya riera. True. Kuria guikaraga kuria kwina ma industry. It is inkumanisha kuri riera riako ni dangerous and poisonous and harmful.
Yes.
So when we bring it home, kuria kiragitumiro muno ri kwa relationship ri, it is something or someone or behavior kana pattern irako harm psychologically and emotionally. So that is when you say I am in a toxic relationship. I'm in a toxic working place. I'm in a toxic maybe marriage.
I'm in a toxic church. Ndaigwa ginya kanitha. Ta imagine. Tuthithite tugacingiria ginya kanitha.
Kodo guothe. Koguo ni undu kana ka pattern kana ka behavior kara ko affect in a harmful way. Psychologically and emotionally. Ko aiko ka tira ko affect psychologically and emotionally ri tutie kupatithia ke toxic. And then turania tereri, how do I define digauta kuga atia I'm in a toxic relationship? Kana this partner of mine is toxic and I'm not. Do you know they talk project maundu maria maito tukamatwarira the other person and we use that as an excuse. Twenda kumahado but maybe in a relationship, maybe in a marriage, oh he's so toxic, siji blah 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 blah. ugota tagota uko one, if at all your partner there is a pattern of controlling like ndio kutumia partner peke yake so it can be in any kind of relationship.
True.
If the person is controlling kogo kwina ka controlling behavior, that thing, of course it is toxic. Toni go drain mentally, emotionally. No na
yes.
Manipulation. I call mudu ni yako manipulator. No na ada makoma hedo manipulator.
Give an example.
I discuss manipulator kwa nyongo.
To example ya lele manipulation.
Manipulation. No na ada makona gia terere ni mawaka kujikiro ni no na ndware ni no gwe ni na igia pesa. You know, mudu tumagera kauda. And those people are toxic. Actually, let me just use that word.
Yes.
They're toxic. Manipulators, hey, they're toxic. Now, most of the relationship, people are manipulators. No matter what, manipulative.
That is what I was gonna say.
No,
yeah.
So this behavior, we say, they dig deeper one day into those controlling, manipulative
behaviors.
No,
yeah.
We'll come to that.
Okay.
Like how do you know that the person is toxic?
Yeah.
Toga controlling. Now go say to the deeper to how do you know that the person is controlling or is just concerned?
Very true, because Esther Victoria, I hear even children can be toxic. So
yes.
So exactly how explain mane ko to hanyu na ona kaidi kwaria like this set ona ni deda goma.
Very good.
Yeah.
No, nekede first tobe tumenye what are these signs that someone is toxic. Nigo to hota gusita ukwaterere when I am saying that my child is toxic. What do I mean? No nai diga koroni ni toxic, but I'm projecting to my children natio. So if someone is manipulative, if someone is controlling, someone is disrespectful, no nai something we already emotionally this person is draining me. Or I get the emotional immaturity. That's another thing. Mudo dahota u control emotions yake. Mobanagia kaudu kanini ngeko beki heri ya haha muga escalate. You can argue a whole 1 hour. Ndo yako beki makiheri. No nai emotional immaturity. Kogo tumaruto tutura ko drain emotionally. Na emotionally ne mawigwi. Ori ora igwo kaigwa ndure appreciated, ukaigwa ndure respected, ukaigwa ndure valued in a relationship or whatever. Let's concentrate on relationship. In relationship ukaigwa terere I'm doing everything for this relationship, for this marriage. No did I appreciate. Don't know I'm not seen. Did I value? Ona deka odo effort yako dironeka. Deka odo dira I'm not seen. Kogo orera goyora doikaga. You know there are those people who come to session makajira tere ni muthuri wako ari. Ona igiruta wira wa nyumba rege ne stay at home mom. Ni ona dinakanaka 8 months. Totire na house nanny. Kogo ne ni kurora mwana ucio na ndoreke maira ma muci. No ona igika maundu mothe muthuri no arona kaundu itaneka. I had this particular client. Wajiraga kinya muthuri wake ni amwiraga ahore nguo ciake ciothe fathi. Now you cannot do that with Adori, let me tell you, you're my friends. No ni mwagire kumenya atiriri. Kurora mwana, an 8-year-old months. It's a whole time job. It's a full-time job. Yeah. Ni wira. Kogo rire wakora mutumia uki undu ekite. So long as mwana ucio ni arite nake huba na gathera. That is enough. Kogo mutumia ucio ni ajiraga how she is feeling unseen. No nai and she was feeling she's not valued. Todo areka maundu mothe no muthuru wake no ari ona kaundu ataneka. So muto cio ngika kwire atiriri me I feel like my husband is toxic. I would say he is. Tony ara treat mundu yo emotionally. Nera affect mundu yo emotionally. Kogo na psychologically mundu ndakihota gusetwa tondu guti undu ari kamwega woneke. No nai?
Yeah.
So when you get yourself in such kind of thing, kurudu gweda mundu eyorie. Either way you're a man or the woman.
Okay.
Kurudu gweda we yorie. When I see that my person is toxic, what is my role in that situation?
Wow.
No nai?
Yes.
Duakoro nawe ri kuri uri oreka. So him or her ni ku reciprocate.
Got you.
No nai?
Yes.
Nigo tutige ku misuse kigo giki gia toxic.
Could it be it's even me who is really toxic?
Because we people, human beings, we are very good at pointing fingers.
True.
Without asking yourself, near the Esther in this situation, what is my role? No,
what have I contributed?
Exactly. before you start raising finger to the other person. But we urauga I'm in a toxic marriage. My husband is toxic. My wife is toxic. Hidiro urauga ogwori. Weri ni kinyari ri kuoete. Nigo that toxicity ri ikinyihanyihe. Nona hii? So ask yourself, what is my role in all this? Ako muthuri wakwa nirauga niraigwa atari loved. Niraigwa atari respected. Am I respecting him? Nona hii?
Yes.
Am I loving him? Am I doing the things he is saying I'm not doing? Nigwaje kiatea? Nyabie kuga I have given it all. But he's not seeing. But she's not seeing. Nigwabie kuga gwisinia mudo yori, he's toxic. Another thing I had said, that when you're in a relationship where you feel controlled, it's one sign of toxicity, ne controlled. No,
yes.
Abomenya terere, how do I define control? No, tono korwa terere, ndi mutumia wa muthuri wakwa ri, ndi muhuragira thimu, kumuria terere, wiha. Na ndirakuria wiha na any other intention. Rigidera gukuhaririria sapa, nigo wakinya ri ndugakore horete.
Nima.
So I am concerned. Kana terere ugokinya tha cigana. That is not controlling. I'm just concerned. Koko controlling ri ni mundu utarakuhe ginya space. Ari consistently akuria thimu uthire ugira wathie shoot uguthiaga 2 hours. These are 2 hours and 10 minutes. Weku. Nona now that feels uncomfortable. Nona ukamuria traffic. The traffic, you know there those things you find ukona this is not healthy. No mudu just calling to check on you. That's a concerned person. No another career friend of mine ajiraga tore muthuru wake amwirire ati you're too much. The reason as to why I looked for another girl is because you're too much.
Allah.
Leuri kiuria ni atiriri, what do you mean by too much? Nijiraga clients yakwa mundu agigakwira kaundu. It is always good to look for clarity.
What did you mean?
What do you mean by too much? Is it that I care too much? Is it that I love you too much? Is that you know what is too much? Is it that I respect you too much? No,
do I bicker too much? Do I complain too much?
Yes. Just no. Really akimuriria you are always on my back. Okijuria okinyete kuwekete. You know, to him he felt controlled. But to the woman she was just that what I'm saying, concerned, checking. Can I told you that okay go you yori ndenda ukurugira to fresh ni wakinya no kure yari. I'm concerned on that. Nanyita so it is good kumenya atiriri my role in this thing. Itoka muthuri ucio agiathire ugiatiriri my wife is toxic. Nanyita no ndanamenya atiriri how am I defining this toxicity?
Yes.
What has she done for me to say she is toxic? Kugo bere ya mudu athiete kwambia gwita the other, you know, labeling the other person as toxic. Ask yourself, what is my role on this?
Could I have contributed to it?
Yes. Manipulation is another thing. Why do I feel like my person is manipulating me? Could it be he's giving me ideas? Nero na rigino yatho kuma pesa nyingi akwira atiriri pesa ici hada uciga bengiri, we can invest here. Not only to invest again, it is not your idea. Ama your ideal investment. Nagegiri to him, ama to her, they find it ideal. Nareginera lodeka pesa. Dukona tara ku manipulate. Ati nigo uhuthire pesa cia kuweke kaundu ringi karamu benefit. Just understand. Where I na ni jigaga atire says you understand as you have been doing these shoots. Ni ku understand atire I use communication. Communication ni kitu kia muhimu muno na clarity. Wogo uri uramanisha atia. Okay?
Tokwaria nigetha warie.
Speaking, just speaking. Communicate. Communicate is passing information. Now when you're passing information, don't pass a home pass of passing information with an agenda, with an end goal. No
end goal in mind.
Yes. So understand. What do you mean? But I did kuga my husband or my wife is very manipulative. Ogimuturuge ajiraga in a session ajiraga temutumia ke atuika mutumumu every Friday.
Aya.
People go to that one I can say that is a toxic person.
Yes.
Every Friday ni atuika mutumumu. Na ndakuona. Na gitumine riri muthuri ndagathie kundu. Tono ukoro her helping hand. You see? So that is toxic. So you need to understand that that is manipulation. That woman is manipulating the husband.
Akireka kumwira niki ndirenda guikarania nawe
ndirenda uthie kundu muthi amwira goda ku understand
ndu no arwarire
na tokorwara undu arabatara a hand to help her ndakuona ndu no ukirwara ukome but when you're not saying you cannot walk around and you need to feed the kids. So those are what I'm talking about, manipulation. The intentions. Why are you doing this? So that is, so they can project their fears, kana their way out. Narrator toxicity.
I hear you.
Yes.
So, rugo tutaithia te mwana witu tondu riri especially in young relationship these days anatiga hiko-ine nyingi ni andu aya young ni ndiraigua our youth and I'm sure andu aria uteithagia ni all ages.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
They seem to be the one who are even misusing this word so much. And again, women and men you know, who have been in marriage for so long.
Yes.
Could it be ndikinyagaje kuona atiriri, is it our way out? Mundu igwa ndari na itumi njiganu na ni anogetio ni relationship uratani wa kinya muico kihiko ni gikinya muico hari nie na tondu mundu uri ungi bado ni invested to make this work gokana to I start now having labels.
Yes.
If that be it, mundu cio ngimutara ati o muteithie tondu riri ati bata uthukirie mundu uri ongiritwa na kumwikira labels na we niwe munogu.
Yes.
Na we niwe broaru urani ndagitari.
Yes.
Diukone Esther mundu cio ngimuteithie ati
reke twambiririe no uyu murwaru. First, before you start pointing fingers ogo guite how about you we niki urenda, what is your intentions to start with? Niki kiratuma wende ku see the other person as the problem. Tondu nigo ni nyambie kuga the other person is the problem. Ni nyambie tenge thuthuria. Ngeona niiri ndi mutheru kuna. No me uti mundu koragwe mutheru kuna. No urikoro na kawathe here and there. Koguo aba we thuthurie weri uhana atia. Intention is ya kuri cia that relationship. Ni kwenda urenda kuma. Na iko fiu ni kwenda urenda kuma. Tamaka Paris mundu agira mundu ni ndireciria wendo wakwa hari we ni wakinya muico. Mafiu ona mundu uri ungikone arakwendete. No matter how hurting it can be, ne ukuhe space you go. Now this one I want to say it. Mostly mundu agigakwira openly ni wendo wakwa ni wakinya muico. Don't force it.
It's done to you.
Yeah. Toni njugaga atiriri, I have gotten clients mokaga makanjira mutumia wakwa aranjirire ndakinyenda ringi. Ona ni araheire rutha turere ciana njethe mundu ungi. I have gotten such cases. Na njiraga mundu ma agikoni akinya, if at all they have gathered the courage ya gutomuka ciugo icio, do as they say. Even if dogo gwetha mundu ngiri, give them the space. No nai we have space na we heal. Aduta cio natimeraga tuthondeke kihiko. Aikoni akinya gukwira oguo ri, let's work together. Uhote kwi heal so that ugithi ku establish in another relationship kana in another marriage ukorwo we whole. Ningote ku attract another whole human being.
True.
No nai?
Yes.
Andu angi ni makinyaga thuri makamera nie tariri another client muthuru wa mwiriri oguo. Nie kurigana haria nginyete nie ngukuhe maundu mothe no nie ndingĩhota gũikara nawe we wika ni nguhikania. Hakinya hauri mbere ya guthie kuga, you know, those labels icio ciukaga out of bitterness, out of ailing kurwara kuria kwa emotions na psychologically you are ailing, you are hurt. Emotion icio ugo si drainator ri mbere uthite kulebo mundu ri, take your space, take your time, play back. Nona atwathekaga kiria tape recorder uga play back.
Yes.
Ugathikiriria wega na guthikiriria wega ni kurora riri, take back your relationship, your marriage ikoretwe hana atia tondu niguo mundu akinya gukwira this is toxic.
Yeah.
If that person is genuine, tondu ukiendo me genuine makiuga oguo hari umite, hari mumite niguo akinye haha na haha akinya ni kuigwa ati I can't hold it anymore. Soka thutha wacoka thutha wona kuria umite ri aiko kwina twathe wina tuori wa content aikoro gutikirire ngi we urona we sawa ri bi hariwe muri atiriri ni kwa feel da feel ito do times self-awareness is
Yes.
also from feedback.
True.
Kuma kuri andu arĩa makwendete, those who care about you. Nĩ makũheaga feedback. Tondũ maũndũ mangĩ no ũkorwo we ndwĩonaga, no the other people can see. Thiũmũria atĩrĩrĩ, kũringana na ũrĩa twakorwo nawe kahinda kau mĩaka 10 mĩaka 3 twakorwo nawe rĩ, nĩ ha wona ndafĩa agĩkwĩre, then you work on it. Nanyita hii? So ucio uroka kuga rĩ, nĩ ambĩrore. About the log from your heart before you go packing specs from other people's.
True.
That is one. Nawe werwo, you're toxic. Tumana andũ erĩ, mwĩrani na mwĩrwo. We nawe werwo we toxic rĩ, mbere o defendete no geka maũndũ mothe rĩ, could it be whatever they're saying is true? We ũrio. Na ĩkorwo ndũrĩ na a reason. Ũrie the mũkwĩri. Why am I toxic?
Make me see. Be my mirror.
Yes.
Reflect.
Tell me. Yes. Riwa ikwire ukione. Na nĩ njugaga atĩrĩrĩ, anytime you get a feedback, mbere wambĩtie kũme defend. Uria atĩrĩrĩ, could it be true that whatever they're saying is true? Na ĩkorwo you feel it is not true, don't fight them. We menya atĩrĩrĩ, they are projecting their own fears, their own insecurities, their own toxicity. They're projecting it.
Na rĩu rĩ Esther witũ rĩ kiu nĩ wega nĩ watwĩra ũhiki-inĩ ĩno ya wĩra-inĩ naku rĩu gũkũ wĩra-inĩ tondũ rĩu rĩ tũkĩrĩ haha nĩ ũndũ andũ aingĩ matwandĩkire magatwĩra atĩrĩrĩ my place of work is become so toxic. I don't want to work anymore, but I need a job. I need money. I need to pay my bills. My boss, oh my God. I can't stand my boss. She is toxic. Forget the bosses. My co-workers.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God, I love my job. I've had that so many times, especially being an employer. I love my job. I love working for you. But I hate so and so. My co-workers, they are very toxic or whatever. You know, especially I do amakoreto me had for a long time. Okay, well, the newcomers are always complaining.
Yes.
They are so toxic. They are so toxic. What do I do? How do I work with them? Tutaithĩrĩrie, please.
Very good. Toxic working place.
Yes.
Ni njugaga atĩrĩrĩ, you have power to control you more than you have power to control anyone else. If your place of work is toxic, menya survival tactics. Oguo ni urabatara mbeca. No nai, maybe your boss is the one who is toxic.
Yes.
Not all bosses are leaders. Ugo niguo andu magire gutaũkwo.
100%.
No god ina mbeca na ngambia biashara na ngandikana.
But
I have no leadership skills. I call that is the problem is the boss. Riu weri to ni boss yaku na no nginya urikara hau. Now with the poor leadership quality na cio no nginya murikara hau. You don't go fighting your boss. You look on how to survive that environment. And one way ni kugeria gwetha riri balancing. To balance work and life. Wahiga office iyo wainuka. The moment atiko inuka au maja wa office iyo wahiga office. Leave whatever was in the office. Shift your mind to the life outside the office. That is one coping skill. You have to shift. No matter how hard it can be. Eto rege no ne hakina wata usi control.
True.
Na rege uma kundu orena workload. You know even workload is a toxicity in the workplace.
In its own way.
Yeah. Eto tugire toxicity in udura ko drain psychologically and emotionally.
Yes.
Na workload also that is affecting you psychologically. So I gonna workload. Look for a coping skill. Tell yourself even tomorrow is another day. I got on out carry. Maybe you add extra time tomorrow, you will come early, or you leave late. You have to look for a coping skill. You have to balance that workload. If at all it is your colleagues, yeah, mahano tabu. Go there near madhi yake. Hamosara. So what you do, select carefully. Who is negative energy, who is positive energy? That's one thing. Secondly, build boundaries, create boundaries. Wetika ukawe people pleaser. Ate mundu akenda guteithio, yes, tanifanyia hii sawa. At times say no. I have a lot on my plate. I need to work on this. I have a deadline I have to beat. You know, ito do now colleagues mahana go misuse manipulation ni korago ginya na colleagues.
Yes,
so they are manipulating in the moyo that they Paris no ginya geka. So learn to build and create your boundaries. let your no be no. Mwire just, I have something I'm taking care of right now. You circle around. Come back later. No, so that is it. Say no when you need to say no. Another thing, I korone to gossipers. Ito donako kore modo okumenaga tone hubaga smart. Makore modo okumenaga tone zote ka wanjure every weekend. So I call it to know your battles. You have control of you. Dogegiria mundu wa musene guseneneka.
Nema.
No ni ogusagura kirio kwenda kuingiria na kirio takwenda kuingiria. You make that choice. So I koronia museneri. Have the discernment kumenya uyo ni musene uramugia. Uyo ni withwo ndira kirio. Understand your colleagues and how have the coping skills to survive in that environment as you thrive mentally. Look for coping skills.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, let's flip that and now bring it to the boss. I'm the boss too, yeah? And now I have toxicity among my employees, yes? Yeah. And they are saying, I am toxic too. Need the boss today. I'm very toxic. And yet I have rule to get it to need the bossy. Need the owner. Yeah. No adoria hete werari because again kure andu matwandikire magaturi uguo ni marona nie I am creating a toxicity at work because I am toxic and so among themselves also kugo neta dry encourage a toxicity environment at work and yet I'm the boss me as the boss ni kinyarire ko ndingihota kuoya so that I can finish that bad blood that I've created myself because I'm the leader. I am creating it. How do I help me out here? I suppose help.
One way, there's so many ways, but I'll just talk about two. One, I call when you feel toxic. I want to understand whether that is the concern. Where we both feel toxic and we toxicity in your employees.
No,
okay.
You get
self-reflection. Abawerore. Ugo mara ugari. No, actually no go gugita ubere. Tawe uri atiriri. Ugo mara ugari hena kauma. Self-reflection. Na mugukinyiria re mu understand atiriri mara ugari toxic in which way? Ito toga toxicity is in so many angles. Understand how am I toxic to them? Am I giving them a lot of work and less pay? It is affecting you psychologically and emotionally. So it is also toxic. That is one thing. Self-reflection. Second, I call on now the environment is toxic. Now we toxic. So it is an environment full of toxicity. That is why you invite an outsider.
Aha.
Now somewhere. To come, you play without work without play. Made Jack a dull boy. So I call on you worry, look for a workshop, either outside or you this topic in workplace. Or you have no take point is yaku, employees no ma take point is yao. So you having an outsider talking about it, it feels different. And a balance. So that is what I would tell that person.
In creating, I would add also to say, and perhaps create an environment where people really feel heard and seen, and they don't put yourself, I suppose, don't put yourself in a pedestal so high that your employee feel like they can reach you. You see, at they don't have an opening to even express that too, because I feel like that's another thing that I find place of work suffer from. You know, bosi agakorone igite on a pedestal na andu akiawira makamuiga on a pedestal tu awe ginya ona ko mundu fiu he undu ramuhinyiriria ri ndarahota kwiaria tani aretigira kufutu ndahota kuthii kwiaria jite mutu
ona channels channels of communication to ginya mundu kekurwe direct itona ugoroga gwitigira kufutu alafu ndo how to present her case ama his case channels no ige unaona ukorako na boss sijui your senior manager the immediate supervisor kuna channels nyingi kwa mundu sio utaweka hata ku communicate leo nikyo kuga about external I call leo na we na thinari how would I even accept we na thina na you know it is back and forth me I see you see me
yes Very true. I like that. Nitukena muno ria watu andikira ugaturia maundu ma tondu tukaga haha nigetha riri tuteithanie tondu muturire uyu mundu wakwa hey ni ona ndi kunyitana moko no muthe ni ndakena ni hakwa ni ndara ndurire maundu ni mau mothe ri kiugo giki ri guti kundu gitangi ku affect we uhana ta mundu kana ni wira-ini waku kana ni mucii waku kana ni arata-ini tandu nginya kuri arata who are very toxic by the way most rate no ruri tutanatiriha tondu ru tutite gutiriha Esther witu ri I want you to sum up this session by rugo tutigana kiugo kia mwisho kirio ngienda gutiga mwiroreri witu na makirio rio gutwandikiire uhoro wa kiugo giki na gwendo tutirihire atia na gutwira atiriri ona ithuĩ enyewe ri how to reflect often nigetha niguo watwira nigetha na ithuĩ tukamenya kana ithuĩ hihi tureciria mundu uri ongi niwe thina na ni ithuĩ thina just sum it up for us ututigana kiugo giaku kia mwisho na utana tutigana kiugo giaku kia mwisho also utwire kuria warikia utwire kuria tungikuona tandu reke gikwire mano tukarire ha wiki ngima nigetha kiugo giki break down completely no ni better mundu ahote kubuka appointment nawe session mungihota kiugo giki mukioe mukidigest kahora nigetha twike wa guteithika.
Very good. Kenya itago wrapping up about toxicity.
Yes.
First about tauku. We say totally what is toxicity.
Yes.
What tauku gori ucoke we uria tiriri. Ni direra na ri could I be projecting? That is it. And ni direra na ucio giri ena the signs cia toxicity. And also my workplace could I be the problem? Bere ajugete ni kuhana ri me as the employee the Kenya bejoy employee am I a good colleague? Am I a good employee? Am I doing my work? I'm just lazy. The environment is overloading and the pay is small and what have you. Am I upskilling? Could direka about personal development in regard to my role or my job in that place? Wabe ninye ndete kidugita self reflection muno. Tondu ni ndina power ya gwicenjia mbere ya jite peri cia cenjia ri we no kona ndaona fata gucenjia so she is comfortable the way she is no ni ndirona thina so work around it.
True.
See how the environment you are in njiraga mundu atiriri if the environment is not changing can you change it or that environment is making you sick and you cannot heal in the same environment so it's either you change and negotiate gwa kuri where as a person it is changing your mindset. Learning how to go around that environment as a changed person. It does not affect you as it could affect you if you are not changed. That is one thing. Another thing, changing the environment. If it is employment, do you want to leave that place? It is not working. So do I want to leave? If it is a relationship, do I want to call it a quit? So, before you choose which way to go, do your personal reflection. Ningogiona feel you are not the problem. Then you can change your mindset to accommodate the people you are with. If it is a relationship, not everything will cause you divorce.
No.
I can accommodate. I can shift my mindset. Na hote kuikara na Paris. Onare ori hana.
Nima.
Nona if it is a workplace, can I change my mindset? Ligwira onura dihawega. Ligiona concerning ne tiwera ni colleagues. Nona
yes.
If the concern is the colleague, they have no say in your life. Matira tiga no affect psychologically, which is why you should not change your mindset. Okay, I had another client wajiraga oria kwao lunchtime wa maikaraga hado musene ma uko discuss orio how you know, and I told her why don't you reduce your time together with these people? Either they are going to influence you onokodu kwariaria ukuma wi muno huma
hakiri
so try to reduce your time together. Try to invest hidio yarajire, do something else, take a walk hado we kanokari yago ga take a walk. No, keep yourself busy. Replace that time. So do self-reflection. Orole, what is the causes? If at all of you know kama sio more than anyone, me, I cannot live with this person. I cannot live with you in this workplace. Now you can go to the other solution, changing the environment. Okay?
Yes.
But before you do that, do a lot of self-reflection. Wone nawe ri wina thina uriku.
True.
Ni ati ogisejia. Either mentally ama even emotionally. Mentally no usejie kinya ku understand it differently, ku accommodate their flaws. And just doing how to survive in that environment.
Very true.
Yes.
I like your approach to this word. And you know, just to wrap it up, like you said, let me also add and say, I think a lot of us also, we don't take time to ask the other person, how can I show up better for you?
Yes, yes, yes.
If I think you're the one who is toxic or toxicity is in the environment I am, I think most of the time we forget to ask that question.
Yes.
No, you forget to have an one-on-one no I feel like no matter what I do, maybe I'm not living up to the standard or your expectation. How can I show up better? Show me. Because as much as I'm reflecting on me, maybe he could do the ramis. Yes. Same thing in partners, like in a relationship, the same thing. How do I show up as a better partner for you?
Yes.
Tell me, what is that to you? Yeah? What do I need to do 1, 2, 3 to show up better feedback as a partner? Exactly. And so that I don't come up like a toxic person. Yeah. Because to me, maybe, Esther Witu, do you cannot weka kindu giciria ni guteithia mundu kana ni kumwikira wega na ni agukwenda muno gakora ni higwa kumenire fiu.
Exactly.
Ukora you are creating even a bigger gap na we gwiciragia you are closing it. It happened. It happened akane kini kigo gutwira hingo ciothe. Not communication well, because communication is giving information. Ni thomagai ikinde mirongo mutiaga note. Ni nyandikaga note hingo ciothe tuka ha. Ni koguo ngaiga atiriri gacokia ngatho muno ni tondu ni tuthomete maundu maingi muno kuma hariwe na no tuguthi na mbere na kwaraniria no ni undu ohoro makiria ri please twire atiriri tukigukinyira atia online tukikuona ko nigetha tuthi na mbere na guteithika.
Very good. Actually, nidiganagirwo muno online jitagwo Coach Esther King'ori. So if you want to follow me on social media, I am Coach Esther King'ori on all of them, Instagram, TikTok, na Facebook, Esther King'ori. And physical, and we also do virtual. Ugenyo na physically huko kutokorwo Kiambu town. Hadu hetako 24/7 haugeja thani ukonyona. Namba ya thimu ni 0790803718. Maundu-ini macio mothe macio twaria na maria mangi ungikorwo namo we tackle them, so tukinyire na tuguteithania.
Awesome. Na ni ngero Presbyterian ngauga atiriri ngakwendithĩria muthenya mwega kana utuku mwega kuringana na thaa irio kuona video no ngakwihoya muno makiria ongorwo nduonete video ici ingi ciothe twikite na Esther King'ori itondu no ukorwo ura subscribe ira kana umuthi ukarigwo riu Esther King'ori ri riu matwira uhoro wa toxicity ni ationgia. Please, the one video ici ingi ciothe nigetha ucash up haria turi. Again, we are Presbyterian TV, TikTok, Facebook, kundu guothe no twike wa kurathimo tondu ni tukwendete ni undu wa go to follow, to subscribe na go share. Thank you very much. God bless you. Until next time.
Bye bye.